welcome back to my channel. Today we are decorating the formal living room and the dining room. I'm excited to show you my little bit of a non-traditional color scheme that I have going on in here. I chose to use the creams and blues to complement what I already had in here with my rug. I was able to shop my home and bring that artwork from my bedroom. I brought more artwork from my bedroom over there. And today I shopped almost everything from my house. I didn't buy anything new. This is either decor I had from last year or that I am repurposing. So super budget friendly, and also the theme is extremely elegant and minimalistic this year. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get to styling. So for this coffee table styling, I wanted to keep it super simple just by pulling in the blues and the grays and the greens. I only decorated the top of the coffee table, once again, trying to keep it very simple and just a little bit more relaxed in this formal living room space. These gorgeous velvet pumpkins were repurposed from last year, and I thought they fit perfectly in this room. So for my dining room table, I kept it super simple with these gorgeous glass pumpkins I purchased from last year and these crystal acorns. In today's DIY, I wanted to take a wreath that I picked up from Marshall's for only $19.99. I thought this would be a perfect upcycle project. I then incorporated some of this beautiful gold ribbon that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. We're going to be adding some of those touches to this wreath as well. And then lastly, these cute velvet and gold pumpkins we're going to intertwine by using some floral wire and attaching it all together. How gorgeous did this turn out? It was super simple. Once again, you don't always have to start from scratch on a wreath. You can purchase something and upcycle it and make it your own. I was able to purchase a few of these beautiful white flowers and turn them into this gorgeous arrangement, once again mimicking the wreath that we made. I purchased them as well from Michael's and Hobby Lobby. I was able to incorporate those gorgeous flowers on my console as well, tying in the wreath that we made on the door. Once again, keeping the creams and the blue tones in the living room. And I added a little bit of fun with this cute little pumpkin I also picked up at Marshall's. I thought it was super simple and elegant. I just love how I'm able to incorporate a couple different styles in my home. I've been transitioning from full glam and just bringing in a few of the natural elements, but the front family room is still very glam. I hope you can see how I used one flower and turned it into a couple different arrangements, brought it through the entire space. You can head to my Instagram to get a couple of reels on how I created these looks. This room is going to get a new makeover soon. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week.